Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say they want it.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different video than I have done in a while, and it is going to be my room tour. I get so many questions on my room, and like everybody always saying that they think it's so cute because you guys kind of see my setup for my bed area. And yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how you guys could like really style like a smaller room, because my room is definitely on the smaller side. And I really brought it together mainly because of COVID, and I was going to be home. Like, I did a whole 360. If y'all want to see that video, I did record the whole process of me redoing my room in June, so I'll leave it linked down below if y'all want to check it out. But yeah, I'm so excited to show you guys my room. Since this has been so long awaited, I'm not going to keep on talking, and yeah, let's just get straight into this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now before the video even starts. All right, I'll see y'all in a sec. So when you first walk into my room, if it'll focus, this is kind of what it looks like. I absolutely adore my room. I really came together a lot because I really had to put so much work in to make it, you know, doable for me, especially as like an adult. I'm a grown woman now, so I had to like make it not like my teenage room, but more into like adult Tony room, since I will be here for like a few more months now because of COVID and I'm not on my college campus. But yeah, it's so cute. So first, over here we have my little station. So I used to have a fish in there, but my fish passed away, sadly. The fish's name was Jazz, but I'm gonna get a new fish, and I'm gonna name it Jazz too, because Jazz is already on the tank. So yeah, I'm gonna try and get a new fish probably tomorrow. But yeah, that fish passed away, but I have my little fish tank, a picture of my sister and my cousins, and then my friend Alexia. And then I have my jewelry little stand and my perfume. Well, not my perfume, excuse me, my body glow stuff. But I just wanted everything over here to be gold. And yeah, with the T sign, I think the T just adds like a nice little touch. And then I have this gold placemat that I got from like this store nearby. I don't know where I got the placemat from. It was like from one of those like cheapy places that are near my house. And then there's fish food back there, if y'all were curious. And then over here I have my tripod, and this is what I always film on, so I always am taking this tripod out. So I wanted to make it like really easy access to grab, so I always just lift it up and then I film. And up here I have this chalkboard that I got from, I don't even remember where I got it from. I think it was from Home Goods years ago, but as y'all can see, it still says 2018, and that's because I don't have any more chalk, or at least I don't know where chalk is to like get this really updated. But it's a super cute little area, and I really like it. And yeah, this is just like how it looks. So yeah, down here is kind of like just junk. Like this is my notebook that I always, whenever I do my videos, I write all my notes in here. I have like some books that I was reading over the summer that I need to read again, some magazines, and then I have my body mist and some more perfumes that I could actually put up here now because I made some more space. And then inside this drawer is just like really just junk. It's really my keychains I have, and then I have actually my razors, like a pack of razors that I have, and then an old card, and yeah. And then my purse, of course, that's my everyday purse. So it's just an easy quick grab and go. So over here, I have this mirror with these lights connected to it. These lights are so convenient, except the batteries ran out, and I just don't feel like replugging in batteries because I feel like it's kind of annoying. But I used to have lights up there, and it just is still like a really cute touch. And it has lasted a very long time in this household. And yeah, it's a really cute little body mirror where I always go, and I just like to see like what I look like before I leave the door. So now we're going into my closet. It's messy, so don't judge me. I have so many clothes. So here's my closet with everything in it. And then up here I just have like mostly my jeans. That's my throw blanket. I always use it. And then down below are my shoe area. It's really messy. That's a Target bag. I need to take that stuff back. That needs to get taken back. And then my shoes, of course. It looks really junky, so I didn't even realize how junky it was until I did this video, of course. But yeah, that's more jeans, excess hangers, and then more clothes. And then of course here are my shoes. It looks a little chunky down there, mainly because I have all those bags in there that I need to take back. And then my hamper is right here, and I just kind of like put my clothes in there. Next little area. So I love this area so much. So underneath it, before y'all even ask, that's the garbage can. I have the garbage can under there because that's, like I said, my room is really, really small, so that's like the most convenient place to put it. But I have my go-to things I always use. So I always do my astrology book. My sister got this for me for Christmas, and I absolutely love it. And I basically just read my reading every single day. And then I have this really cute 5-minute journal that I absolutely love. I write in it every day and every night. And then I have this book, which I need to get back on reading, but I was reading it like basically like every single day for like 2 weeks. Why Men Love Bees. This is such such a good book. It just is like a self-guide book for like dating correctly and making sure you're not accepting no BS from no man, okay? And then I have my journal underneath here. So this is like my little peace station, and I have like my little Buddha over here, my little Eiffel Tower, and then my candle lit up. And then I have some essential oils right here that I use for my humidifier. So it's like a little peaceful area. And then working my way up here, this is just some makeup I have. This is like extra makeup. This is a bunch of my lip liners, some brushes, not my everyday brushes, but like just regular brushes, and then some like excess lip gloss that I have that I don't really use that much, but I still like a lot. And then I just have these like little symbols, party and wish. I know where I got those from, but yeah. And then up here, I have this little picture of myself that my sister got for me for my birthday. And it was when I finally hit 10,000 subscribers as well. So it was such a nice gift. It says to the road to 10,000 subscribers, well, 10,000, slow and steady wins the race. And I'm already at almost 12,000, which is insane. But yeah, I absolutely love that. And then up here, that Tony sign is from my Sweet 16 a billion years ago, because I'm an old lady now. But yeah. All right, guys, my camera died. So my phone died, not my phone. My phone ran out of space, so I'm going to show you guys everything through my camera. Hopefully the quality doesn't look too different. But yes, in here, this is called a mini closet. So it's just for extra storage, really. So there's my main closet, and here's my mini closet. And it's like literally storage. Like, it's kind of junky in here. So I just have like makeup stuff. Like, this couldn't fit in my little mini vanity, so I just have this here when I finally get a big vanity. Hair stuff, extra makeup stuff, all my glasses. I have so many pairs of glasses. Up here is just like extra stuff as well. These are clothes for a clothing haul I need to do. My podcast equipment, but yeah, it's like nothing too crazy in here. Books, yeah, water, I just put that in here now. But yeah, it's just kind of junky in there. And this like my pills that I take, hair, skin, and nail pills, and then just skin pills. And yeah, it's junky. I need to like figure out a way. This is like all my electronic stuff, and then up there is like extra sweaters that I don't ever really wear, and then yeah, more storage stuff. Over here we now have my vanity. I just literally redid this little area. So over here we have my perfumes. These are like my daily perfumes, and this is like a moisturizing face mask that I use about once or twice a week. And then we have just some decoration. I have these little flowers that I got from when I moved to my place in Baltimore when I used to live in on my campus. And then I got this little spiral thing. This is from Amazon. It's so convenient, and it literally spins. I love it. So like when I'm doing my makeup, it's so easy just to spin it around and like just get what I need. And yeah, I love it so much. And then I just push it back when I want to stay into place, because I kind of just want one area to show. And yeah, like this is like so convenient. I really love it. Once again, oh, I didn't even tell you guys, unless you guys saw the other video, most of this stuff is thrifted. This is thrifted, the stool. I got that from Let Go, I believe. And so is this mirror. And then I just got these like lights from Amazon like a few days ago, but I had like these big ball lights that I got from Shein, but they just weren't lasting long at all, so I had to switch them out. But yeah, this mirror was literally $5, okay? And you could like move it up and down. Like, look. Can you guys really tell? Y'all can't really see, but yeah, I can move it and stuff. But yeah, it's really, really cute. I love it. And this little stand was like $25 from Amazon. I just got that as well like 2 days ago. And yeah, absolutely love it. Here we have my curtains. I doubt y'all really care, but these curtains are from Home Goods. Love them. They're like sheer. So over here is my bed. So this bedspread, it's not necessarily the best, so I would not recommend this. Well, it's a comforter. I wouldn't recommend it. The material's really bad, but I did get it from Home Goods for like $60, but it just kind of like sucks, so I wouldn't recommend it. It's a pretty color though, and I like the concept of it, but no. These little pink sheets that I have, those are from Macy's. And these little throw pillows, all these throw pillows are from Five Below. Highly recommend. An affordable cost, but they look so good. And yeah, the throw pillow came with the comforter set, and I really like the throw pillow. It is really soft, so I like that a lot. And this gold, well, yellowish gold blanket that I got is from Shein, and that's from a collaboration I did with Shein. And this rug I got was from, I think, Marshall's. Okay, so working our way over here to this area. So I have my humidifier, love it. And I just put the essential oils that are in that area. I put the essential oils inside the humidifier, and right now it has like this essential oil that has to do with like helping you to meditate, and I love it. And then I have this little fridge that my sister got for me, so I basically just put all my sleep mask inside there, and not sleep mask, facial mask inside there so that they're cold, and apparently gives like a better effect, so that's why I keep it in there, and I really like it. It's so cute in pink. Pink is my favorite color, y'all didn't know. I think it's kind of obvious, but yeah. Now I have this little cart thing that I love. I absolutely need this because, like I said, when you have a small room, storage is so essential and important. So I have my hair stuff in here, my body wash stuff in here, more hair stuff, nail stuff, and then excess books. Like, I needed this. This was like the best thing I ever got. Oh, and makeup's in here, excess makeup, because I have extra of everything, and then markers for my board that y'all are gonna see in a second. Like, I have extra everything, and like I said, being in this room is really small. It's kind of, I've really outgrown it, but it's all good. Hopefully we'll be moving out in the next year or two. So yeah, up here, this lamp I got was from, I don't even know, this is like my parents' first apartment. And they just kind of passed it to me, and my mom just put stickers on here. Everybody always talks about this lamp. They're like, oh my god, I love your lamp, where'd you get it from? We literally just stick on words, and yeah, think rich. Very cute. And then the pearls are from my Sweet 16, and these little lights, if you guys were curious, those are from Target, and I just have those on in the background. And over here we have like little quotes. It says, be a girl with a mind, a woman with an attitude, and a lady with class. And then, I'm glad you recognize how terrible your life will be without me. And I got that from Claire's when I was like in 7th or 8th grade, and I still definitely agree with it to this day. So over here we have my board, and on my board I normally just put like my goals, or I put on like, before I had like my manifestation stuff on there, but it just is my weekly goals. Like, if y'all could see, it says film 3 new videos, upload 10 videos per account. That's from my internship. Journal 3 times this week, and then get at least 1 assignment done early. But yeah, so I had those goals, and I just want to check them off as I go. And then that little ledge is for my markers, but it is kind of like a little bit disheveled, so that's why I don't have it up. And then I had this picture that I got from, oh my god, I can't even think of the company. I'm gonna put their name like on the screen. Y'all should definitely check them out. Like, this is such a dope photo. I absolutely love it. It's a little crooked, but I just put it up yesterday. We're gonna like fix it this weekend, but I absolutely love this. And it just basically says like all the words on top of it. I think it says sisters by choice, sisters by chance, friends by choice, something like that. But I like picked like a sister quote, and then it says Ty and Tony, Eastern 2000, sisters forever, because I was born in 2000, and that's when we became sisters. And yeah, so I really love that little area. Over here, these are all photos from my Sweet 16. Y'all could even see it says Tony's Great Gatsby Sweet 16. My mom was not wasting anything, clearly. She was like, nope. But yes, this was so cute. She did this like when I went to my prom weekend, and I came back, and we just never got rid of it. But yeah, it's just a bunch of pictures of me from when I was little, and then that was like the present picture of me of that time, and now it's like a throwback. I'm like, oh my god, I look so young. But yeah, absolutely love this little area, really cute. And then we have my ring light over here, and my TV stuff. So I have my TV here. My TV was thrifted, got that for $30 period, and it's been lasting me 2 years, almost 3 already. Got that in 2018, and it's the best. And then I have, no, not 2018, 2019, excuse me, so about 2 years. Then I got this dresser. This dresser is also thrifted. We got it thrifted for $100. The guy only used it for a year, but he moved, and he's moving to like California or something, so he couldn't like bring it with him, so he sold it. And yeah, I love this dresser. It's a great material, not great material, great quality. Like, it's really good. Like, there's like not damage on it like at all. Back here in this area, y'all can see it, these are all wigs. I have like extra wigs in there, but I now have wig storage underneath my bed because I have so many wigs. So many companies send me wigs, so it just gets out of hand sometimes. And yeah, so that's my wig head, and then there's like a wig back there, and the wig that was on the wig head is on my head right now, so that's why she has no head. And then this little sign, behind every successful woman is herself, like motivation, love it, because that's the truth, period. Women are that. And yeah, back here is just my robes, another daily bag, like an easy bag to put on, and then I have my stool there whenever I need that. And then that is like my room. Like, it's so little, but I absolutely love it. Like, I really made it into my own, and yeah, I just really am obsessed with my room. I'm gonna be sad like when I have to leave it, but I'm gonna be bringing like half the stuff with me like to my new place, like for sure. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. That is my room. If you guys like this video, I have my thing on, my little astro lights on now. I couldn't put them on in the video because I have to put it on my bed whenever I have them on, because like I said, I have a tiny room, so it would have like gotten in the way. But yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Comment down below what your favorite part of my room was. I'm very curious. And yeah, I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys subscribe, okay? All right, love you guys. Bye.